Hi, welcome to the KitchenAid Kitchen. I'm Hanisha. This is the KitchenAid Diamond Blender and it has to be one of my most favorite products as I use it every single day. Let's go over some of its features. It has a sturdy die-cast metal base that makes it really stable. It has the unique diamond blending system which includes the patented stainless steel blades and a pitcher that has a diamond shape. What's unique is also the IntelliSpeed motor. It actually senses the contents in the bowl and powers through a speed that will go through all ingredients. It has a soft start feature where ideally the motor starts slowly and pulls in the ingredients so that it gives us a more effective blending. If you see here, we have a clean touchpad control system with simple symbols. It has two pre-functions, the ice crushing function and the hot foods function. Apart from that, we have chop, mix, puree and liquefy, chop being the slowest and liquefy being the fastest. We have a power button here and the pulse. Pulse can be used at any desired speed. Apart from this, if you see, it has a large 1.75 litre BPA free bowl which is actually scratch resistant, stain free and shatter resistant. Here we have the stay put lid which is extremely great. If you see, we can turn it and twist it around. It's quite malleable and will not break. Apart from that, it also has an ingredient adder which has measure markings of a 30 ml and a 60 ml for your alcoholic beverages. What's also great is the all metal coupler which is reinforced and covered with plastic, so it actually reduces the noise. If you see, this is the patented diamond shape that the pitcher forms. Just to show you the power and the vortex that's created, I'm going to do a small demo where I'm just going to add a whole orange and a whole apple. You ideally won't be drinking this, but just to see how it powers through all ingredients and makes it absolutely fine. So I switch on the power and you see a little light display blinking. I can choose any of the desired speed. I'm going to choose the puree function. So you can see here how it's gone through an entire apple and orange, including its seeds, pips, everything. So you can see the powerful diamond blending system creates a vortex that pulls in everything and goes through it. I just want you to see the pulse feature on this. Once your power is on, you can press pulse. If you press pulse, you will see all 4 speeds have a blinking light. So ideally, you could choose any speed to pulse at. I want to pulse at the highest speed, so select liquefy and keep pulsing as and when you need it. I want to demonstrate a simple recipe using the ice crushing feature. For beating the heat this summer, it's an absolute pleasure to have this granita. I've got here some frozen berries, strawberries, some blueberries. You can add some castor sugar to it, a little squeeze of lime, some fresh mint leaves, and ice cubes. Put the lid back on. Our power button is blinking. We will now select the ice pre-function. We here have our granita ready. Instant, you can eat it as it's made. If you see, it's crushed the ice so smoothly. You could do great ice blended cocktails with it as well. You can garnish it with a little bit of mint. Another unique feature is also the hot foods function. When you're doing purees, sauces or soups, you can actually take warm foods and put it in the diamond blending pitcher. Since it's BPA free, it's also safe for baby food, so apple purees are great in a diamond blender. It's a pre-function that runs its course, but if you feel that your sauce is ready, you could stop it using the power button at any time. The diamond blender is a great addition to have in any kitchen or bar. It's that one solution to all your blending.